Today, the streets of Daveyton saw a different kind of protest. Residents from the Gabon informal settlement held a peaceful march to the customer care center, but their grievances weren't just about the lack of electricity. There is a growing rift in the settlement. Residents today made it clear that they no longer trust the local committees that claim to represent them.
Mna igama lami ndinolithando Qoli ndihlala eGabon. Into esimatshelayo simatshela igesi. Kudala sihambe sicela igesi besinamakomiti ngaphambili. Amakomiti acela igesi angasibuyeli nempendulo eziright. Into eyenza ukuthi side sisukume kuba kudala sihlele eGabon ngoku sidiniwe kungabi na gesi abantwana bethu bafunda kabuhlungu. Abanye basema high school xa kufuneka besebenzisa amafoni abakwazi. Ngoku ilento simatshayo imatch le yenziwayo namhlanje applyela ukuthi beyimatch esemthethweni. Komiti mina ndifike sekhona amanye siyawabona nje ayazonyula ubone sekuthiwa namhlanje kunekomiti ungayazi ba ikomiti bisukaphi. Amanye amakomiti anezindlu kodwa asuke ezindlini zawo abuye azophatha thina eGabon. Ngoku umbuzo wami endizibuza wona ikomiti enjani ethi enendlu ibe isalwa ilwela imphakathi waseGabon. Asikwazi ulola ikomiti enendlu sifuna ikomiti engenandlu. And ke ngoku sesiphakamile sangumphakathi asayifuna ikomiti.
By marching directly to the city of Ekurhuleni customer care offices, Gabon residents are cutting out the middleman. They are demanding a direct line to the mayor and the ward councillor, stating that they want nothing more to do with self-appointed leadership bodies that they feel have stalled progress on service delivery in the area.
Igahamba kayi-2 ukuqala iya ku-executive abantu abasebenza nomeya. Oqala umuntu ozoyithola uMMC Nkosi abamdeploy la eDaveyton eThwala. And then okwesibili uMMC Mikwe all responsible for human settlements. Ngoba iGabon informal settlement. So kufuneka boyithuba bakwazi ukusho ukuthi bazenzani ngale ikhalazo likhuluma ngazo. Okwesibili izoya ku-committee kamasipala petitions committee. Lapho izongena khona ku-agenda khona babiza ama-officials are-responsible for the territory ukuthi bazophendula ukuthi bathini ngale nto lesifuna kuzenzeka emphakathini. So kuneform la i-crisis management inhlelelo. Ama-leaders wena akumelanga ahambe ngasiphilanga lela form. Ngoba uma ungaphilanga lela form memorandum akakwazi ukuyithatha ku-petitions office. And bazonifonela within 7 days banikeze or banibhalele incwadi banikeze i-reference number. So leyo reference number yeseyisebenzisa ke manje manifuna ama-follow up emasipala. Kodwa uMMC Nkosi uma ngabe ezile la ezohlangana nama-ward councillor athi kuye-68 councillor Mbeki ne bazohlangana nama-councillor kumele akwazi ukuthi abatshele nabo i-progress team. The councillor azi azomtshela emphakathini or yena uMMC azi ukumchazela emphakathini. Ngoba umeya ufuna ukuthi kwenzeke kanjalo umuntu nomuntu endaweni ekumele kuyo kumele abambe i-meeting nomphakathi akwazi ukuresponda abheke izinto ezingenzeka. Uma ngibhekile nami khona izinto ezingenzeka ngesiphithi. Khona izinto ezingenzeka sizoyenza amakhophi ke la for ama-leaders namaphoyisa wonke umuntu sinikeze khona mina ngoye kakhulu sengiqedile ukukhuluma.
The municipality has been given a deadline to respond directly to the community as residents return home to another night without power.